Hi, my name is Philip Poston, and today we're going to demonstrate how to replace and maintain a V-belt on the Model LRS and LRC. Each model will ship with the V-belt already in place. However, it is sometimes necessary to replace the V-belt. To do so, follow proper lockout-tagout procedures, then remove the rollers directly above the belt. Next, using an impact wrench on the welded adjustment nut, loosen the sheave assembly to release the belt. To install a new V-belt, place it on the sheave assembly and tighten the welded adjustment nut until the V-belt is taut. Lastly, check to see if the belt is properly tensioned. When the proper tension is present, the indicator gauge will be positioned between the maximum and minimum tension shoulder stops. If the gauge is at one end or the other, tighten or loosen the adjustment nut accordingly. For more maintenance tips and information, please contact your Hytrol Solutions provider.